right, guys, so we are here with Halifax, who kind of reunited after 10 years, I'd say, to be on the show. How does it feel to be performing together after so long?
Yeah, there's no kinda about it. That was a 10-year hiatus that we just broke doing this, and it feels great. You know, we've all been doing other things in our life, but this felt like a good time to get together. I thought it felt great.
What got you individually or as a group into music in the first place?
I was I don't want to say forced into it, but just one day it was like, Dad said, get your bar mitzvah money, we're going to buy a guitar.
We just sold records out of the back of the van, or trailer at the time, and just worked hard, paid our dues, amongst other things. You had to make ends meet. And it was a lot of hard work for sure, but paid off.
At one point, when it becomes a career, when it becomes a job, it really changes things, right?
Absolutely.
It was like, and we were always passionate about it, but at one point when it becomes a career, it kind of just changes things. So I would say the most difficult part about it is like maintaining that initial drive to write those songs, to perform those songs.
Still having fun, even though now it's a job.
Yeah.
Something that's also very serious, a debate right now. What do you guys think about pineapple on pizza?
I don't mind it.
We're pro pineapple, right?
Yeah.
Pineapple. Thank God. I'm also pro pineapple. For some reason, people don't approve. But
Nothing wrong with that.
Well, like we said,
Pro-pineapple.
we were primarily paid in pizza for the first 2 years.